What's up guys, Steve from the All-American Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to change the tires here on a bandsaw. This particular model is I believe it's a 50s model King Seeley's from Sears, but I struggled with this one for probably about an hour before I found this way of doing it. I actually found it from another gentleman on YouTube. I'll definitely link to that video. It was kind of the inspiration for this one, but no, I don't know how relevant this will be, but it'll work on different size wheels too, so not just these little ones. It'll work on the big, when you got the dual wheel bandsaws too, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright guys, so here's what you need. You're going to need your drill. You're going to need the tires for the wheels. You're going to need some zip ties. You're going to need something like a rod. So this is just, I don't even know what it was. I think it held down a car battery. I just grinded the top and bottom off of it. You can use a screw, or not a screw, a bolt. Grind down the threads on it and cut the head off. And you're going to need either one or two washers. The guy that I saw do it used two, so that's what I'm doing too. This basically guides the tire around the wheel for you. So I'm going to show you how to do that right meow. So we're here at the bandsaw now. We got the old tires off. They pretty much just like fell off. These have probably been on here since like 1936. So first thing you're going to want to do before you actually put the tire on is clean the tracks up in here, alright? So just clean, make sure there's no extra debris up in there, make sure it's not going to the tire's not going to have any trouble sliding in the slot. Okay, so once you got it clean, you're going to grab your tire here. Alright? You're going to put it on, snap what little bit you can into the groove in here. Alright? You're going to get your zip tie. You can use string, you can use twine. Don't really matter. If it holds it, it holds it. So you're going to get that up in there. Nice and tight like. Once it's tight, move over to the next hole in your wheel. Alright, so make sure that's nice and tight. Like I've said 49 times already. Along with the old zip tie. Zipper down. Alright. You want to make sure it's tight because you want this whole thing to hold. Because if you try to do it by hand, it's like a steering wheel cover. You get halfway, this side pops out. Not today. So we got the drill set up here. We got your rod up in there. The small one. And then the larger one's going to go to guide the tire on here. So you're going to put it in reverse, lefty-loosey. Alright? So you're going to slide it up in here. You're just going to work it. Maybe it's the other way. Sorry, this is only my second time actually doing this, so yeah, there we go. So with your drill going, you're just going to slide her down like this, see? Boom. So it's on. Just back out. Alright. So it's on now, but you can see here that it's not in the groove. Alright? So you're going to take, what I do is I just take the butt end of a screwdriver here. You just kind of push her on in there. She'll go. Just talk sweet to her and it'll go. And bada boom! Then you just take your whatever method of cutting these off. Well, that was a bad idea. I suggest not cutting on top of these. Because you know they're urethane, so you don't want to slice them up because that won't be too good for your blade, I reckon. Boom, comes off. It's cold, can't feel my fingers. There we go. Okay, so just make sure it's properly seated. I mean, it fits in there. So if it's hanging out anywhere, you're going to want to make sure that it's fully seated. Okay? Look at that. It's in. It ain't going anywhere. Brand new. And it took barely any effort. Instead of doing it the old way with some screwdrivers and this thing just spins around. Much easier method. Hey, thank you guys for watching. I hope it helped. It definitely helped me. And again, I will link the video that I got this from in the description. Go give him some love too. This saved me like 27 hours of hard struggling. Last thing I'm going to say, it's the playoffs. Where's the logo at? Let's go Bills, baby. Super Bowl champs 2021. You can like and subscribe or whatever you want. I'd appreciate it. Until next time, insert slogan here.